Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a story on mother's love. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Rohit who lived with his mother. Rohit was a bright child who excelled in his studies and and had big dreams for his future. His mother, a single parent, worked hard to provide for their family and support Rohit's aspiration. As Rohit grew older and started to achieve success in his studies, he became busy with his studies and extracurricular activities. He often forgot to appreciate his mother's efforts and sacrifices for him. One day, Rohit fell seriously ill and was hospitalized. As he lay in bed, weak and helpless, he realized the true extent of his mother's love and care for him. Despite being exhausted from work, she spent all her time at the hospital, making sure Rohit was comfortable and had everything he needed. As Rohit slowly recovered, he promised himself to never take his mother's love for granted and to always be grateful for everything she had done for him. He realized that a mother's love is selfless, unwavering, and unconditional, and that there is no greater love in the world than of a mother for her child. The moral of the story is a mother's love is an unbreakable bond that cannot be compared to any other relationship.